Yeah, we got the train guys right now.
The whistling. That's eerie.
Whoa. Whoa, did you hear that? It goes, whoa, like a horror movie type sound.
Listen.
Did you guys hear it? That's where they got the music from Halloween for Jason, Friday the 13th. Listen to that, you guys. I'm taping this right now. Yeah, listen to that. That you don't really realize the sound of the train sounds like a scary movie soundtrack. Seriously. That's kind of cool. That might have been the same guy. Oh yeah. They had that lower camper. What the hell? Really? It probably is. People get around, man. People want to go to this fire is so awesome. You guys see this fire? This is the kind of fire. That's why most people put fires out at this time, and they need to wait till the end to get the gold of the fire. Look at that. Look at how hot that is. It's not as hot as thermite. Now listen to this. You guys hear that? Before my microphone burns, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video.
It's melting.
It's gonna melt. It's on fire. I gotta stop.